Brought to you by JEGS.
Hi, this is Kyle Neeson with MSD Ignition. Today we're going to talk a little bit about spark plug wires. To start off with, MSD was the first company to have a spark plug wire with 50 ohms of resistance per foot. It's the lowest ohms in the industry, and we also have the lowest electromagnetic emissions. To do that, we've compiled a wire of 8 components. In the center, we start off with a Kevlar coat. We top that off with fiberglass. Next, we have a special magnetic compound that prevents the EMI from coming out. On top of that, we have a little tiny conductor that actually winds all the way around. MSD Ignition is the first and only company to have 50 ohms of resistance and 40 feet of conductor per foot of spark plug wire. All of this fit on just this. Next, we have a coating on top of it to keep it from jumping. We're followed by the inside outer sleeve. Fiberglass coats that, and finally the outermost sleeve that you see when you put the wires together. MSD actually makes over 100 different part numbers for spark plug wires to cover as many different vehicles as possible. We have race wires and custom wires that you can make yourself at home. We'll show you how to do that right now. First, we'll take a wire, cut the insulation off. The amount of insulation you cut off depends on if it's our dual crimp wire or the traditional wire that you fold back. On the dual crimps, you go just past where the insulation actually comes out of the crimp tools. On a fold back style, you'll cut enough back that you can fold the full conductor back. When you're ready to put the terminal on, you take the wire and line the conductor up so that it's on the first small crimp right there. Use the pliers and crimp down. Right now, it's already a good connection, but we're also going to crimp onto the insulation to make sure that the connection never comes apart. Now with dual crimps, you have a solid connection that you can take on and off your plugs or distributor anytime you need. With the wire all crimped up, we can show you that these wires in a single foot have only 50 ohms of resistance. 45, even better. On a lot of engines, headers can create clearance issues with spark plug wires. MSD has an answer for that. We have the multi-angle boot that you prep, put on the engine, and then you can bend it any way you need.
Brought to you by JEGS. Lifetime support. Complete customer satisfaction. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.